my mind, sing your name with the beat, ayy. I'ma send a flight, ayy. I might do the Gucci, I might do the rap. Yeah, your ex shop at Bloomingdale's. I'ma do the sex fit. You look like an actress. Hey. Yeah, you remind me of Zoe. I do my drink, you indulge. Introduce you to the flow.
This is the turmeric bar that I use to get rid of my Bacne. It's owned by my friend Olympia Canvas. You can purchase from her on Olympia Canvas. Make sure you follow her on Instagram too to see all the great things she has. This is the exfoliator I used before I shave. And now we're going to move on to skincare. This stuff smells so good. Literally my favorite. Now, I don't use this product on my face. I just use it on my body just because I love the way it smells. I'm going to have to get the perfume to go along with this because it just smells so good. So this is the exfoliating brush that I use. It comes with a small exfoliating brush and also a large body cleansing brush. That's this large one right here. You can take off each one and adjust it how you like. It also comes with a pumice stone so that you can use on your feet. So this is the first thing that I use every time before I go to sleep and start my face skincare routine. So if you want to get this brush, it is 70% off with my code EbonyJ. I'll leave it down in the description box. It's usually at a $95 value, but you'll get it for $28.50. What I love about this brush is that it really gets into those creased areas, like on the sides of my nose, just because I'm always having dry areas near my nose. So I really need to start exfoliating in those creases and getting every little thing. And this brush really does the job. I use witch hazel just to get any little small areas that I might have missed. Any oils or dirt, just making sure everything is completely off of my face. And I will say, even though I do have oily skin, I still make sure to lightly moisturize with like a serum just to make sure that I'm getting in those small areas that may become dry, even though my T-zone is always usually oily. And this is literally everything I do before I go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.